Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So before we start, I just want to quick reminder you, check the description below this video for the GoBrunch link plus all updated information, tips or new deals that I will adding there. Make sure you don't miss out. Alright, let's talk about GoBrunch. If you are someone who hosts webinars, online classes or virtual meeting, you know how hard it is to keep people engaged. Zoom feels boring and most platforms look the same, but GoBrunch is different. GoBrunch is like a fun virtual classroom or event space. When you open it, you will see chairs, tables, even a stage, kind of like a real room. And people can click on where they want to sit, and it feels more human, more social. This helps a lot in making your online sessions more interesting. You can use GoBrunch for webinars, workshop, team meeting, coaching, and many more. You can turn on your camera, share your screen, upload materials, and also control who speaks. And the best part is attendees don't even need to sign up or download anything. They can join directly just with the link. Right now on AppSumo, GoBrunch is offering a lifetime deal. That means one-time payment and you can use it forever. This is great for people who do online events regularly and don't want to pay monthly fees. So from the AppSumo, you can get the lifetime access of GoBrunch. Also, the interface is easy. You can make custom rooms, add your logo, and even change the layout of seats. So if you are teaching or selling a course, this makes it look very professional and unique. One cool feature is I like the ability to run multiple rooms, like for breakout sessions or different speakers. Not many platforms allow that without paying more. So yeah, if you want to give your webinars or workshop a new look and feel, then GoBrunch might be a fun to upgrade it. All the links and the information are in the description, so don't forget to check that out. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more tools like this, and let me know in the comment section what kind of events do you host online, and I will see you in the next video.